a tiny creature with immense strength. In the diverse and colorful world of insects, the rhinoceros beetle, stands out as a powerful symbol of nature, not only due to its distinctive appearance and larger size compared to other insects, but also for its remarkable adaptability, unparalleled strength, and unique biological traits. When people mention the name rhinoceros beetle, they not only think of the majestic large horn on its head, but are also reminded of stories about a creature capable of lifting objects many times its own weight. This beetle is often compared to superhuman bodybuilders due to its ability to lift objects hundreds of times its own weight. This makes it one of the strongest creatures on Earth, when size ratio is considered. But strength is not the only characteristic that makes this insect fascinating. The dramatic battles for mates, the large horns used in combat, and its complex reproductive cycle all contribute to portraying a powerful and mysterious image of the rhinoceros beetle. As we explore the rhinoceros beetle, we will discover that it is not just a mighty creature of nature, but also a symbol of resilience, inner strength, and adaptability to various environments. Through the study of its biology and behavior, this beetle continuously sparks the curiosity of scientists and naturalists, giving us deeper insights into the diversity and hidden power of nature. Unmatched strength, the superhumans of the insect world. In the insect world, where smallness often comes with fragility, the rhinoceros beetle stands out as a mighty giant. With the ability to lift objects 850 times its body weight, they are truly nature's superhumans. To better grasp this incredible strength, imagine a person weighing 70 kilograms, 154 pounds, being able to lift 59.500 kilograms, 131.173 pounds, equivalent to the weight of about 65 cars. This makes the rhinoceros beetle one of the strongest creatures on Earth. In terms of weight-to-lifting capacity ratio, the mechanism of strength, a biological marvel. The strength of the rhinoceros beetle is not just an attractive trait, but also a biological marvel worthy of study. Unlike many other insects, they possess incredibly strong muscles and an extremely durable exoskeleton. Their exoskeleton not only acts as armor but also as a support frame, enabling them to perform tasks requiring immense strength. The powerful muscle groups attached to this frame allow the beetle to move and bear heavy loads efficiently. What's even more fascinating is that rhinoceros beetles do not use their strength solely for movement or foraging. They primarily use their power to engage in intense battles over reproductive rights. The contests between male beetles are not only demonstrations of strength, but also showcase technique and flexibility in maneuvering and using their horns. Battles, strength and strategy. When two male beetles meet in a territorial area, they often engage in dramatic battles to win the right to mate. Although they lack lethal weapons, the horns of rhinoceros beetles are perfectly designed for these duels. They use their horns to lift and throw opponents out of the territory or knock them down. Male beetles with larger and stronger horns usually have the advantage in these competitions. A fascinating study on the behavior of rhinoceros beetles revealed that horn size is not only a decisive factor in battles, but also acts as an honest signal in sexual selection. Males with larger horns tend to be healthier and have higher reproductive potential, which makes them more attractive to females after winning these duels. Exhibiting enduring strength in nature, the astonishing strength of the rhinoceros beetle is not only the result of muscular and exoskeletal structure, but also the product of millions of years of evolution in challenging environments. The natural habitats where these beetles live, from dense tropical forests to arid grasslands, require them to have exceptional survival skills, both in protecting themselves and finding food sources. In their journeys to find food or traverse difficult terrain, rhinoceros beetles use their strength to overcome obstacles. This is particularly useful when they must move through dense forests or dig beneath the soil to find food or places to lay eggs. Despite their large size and heavy bodies, their strength and endurance help them adapt well to various natural conditions. The strange horn and its biological role. The large horn on the head is the most distinctive identifying feature of the rhinoceros beetle. Although it may appear intimidating, the horn is not used for attacking prey, but primarily serves a biological purpose related to mating behavior. Horn and sexual selection. In the insect world, male rhinoceros beetles use their horns to compete for territory and mates. Studies on sexual selection show that males with larger and stronger horns often have an advantage in securing reproductive rights. The horn acts as a tool to lift or push rivals away from the breeding area, increasing their chances of accessing females. Mysterious glow in the dark. Some species of rhinoceros beetles have a faint ability to glow in the dark. This glow does not come from their body, but is due to a symbiotic relationship with bioluminescent bacteria living on their outer shell. Biological mechanism of the glow. Glowing beetles have shells with tiny grooves that house photobacterium bacteria. These bacteria emit a pale greenish light, which not only makes the beetles sparkle under the moonlight, but also serves as a warning to predators, signaling that they are not easy prey. Reproductive behavior. A long and mysterious life cycle. Rhinoceros beetles have distinct reproductive and developmental habits compared to many other insects. After mating, the females search for nutrient-rich areas to lay eggs, often in decaying wood, rotten trees, or piles of dung. Larval development. Rhinoceros beetle larvae can grow in decomposing environments rich in nutrients for several years. During this time, the larvae consume decaying wood and organic matter, acting as natural recycling machines. When large enough, they pupate and undergo complete metamorphosis to become adults. The long wait. The time from larva to adult can last anywhere from a few months to several years, depending on environmental conditions. This makes rhinoceros beetles one of the longest-living insect species, in stark contrast to smaller insects that live fast and die young. The giants of the insect world. Rhinoceros beetles are notably large. The largest species, such as the Hercules beetle, Dinas hercules, can reach lengths of up to 17 centimeters, including their horn. Not only are they large, but their bodies are also heavy, making their presence in nature extremely remarkable. Why size matters. Being large is not only advantageous in mating battles, but also helps them avoid predators. Their thick, hard shells combined with their massive size provide a natural defense, making it difficult for smaller predators like birds or reptiles to harm them. The marvelous wing system. From protective shell to delicate flight wings. One of the most fascinating secrets of the rhinoceros beetle is its wing system. The tough outer wings, elytra, protect the soft flight wings underneath. When needed, they open their hard wings to reveal the delicate wings for short flights. Flying in tight spaces. Despite their heavy bodies, rhinoceros beetles are capable of flying through tight spaces, often between the canopies of tropical forests. Scientists are still studying how they adjust their bodies during flight to maintain balance and high stability. Crucial role in the ecosystem. Beetles and natural balance. Rhinoceros beetles play an essential role in the ecosystem, especially in tropical forests where they live. Their larvae help break down decaying wood and organic matter, enriching the soil and supporting plant growth. Ecosystem preservation. The development of the larvae not only helps recycle organic matter, but also maintains ecological balance by controlling the populations of other insects. Ecosystems rely on this decomposition process to replenish soil nutrients, fostering the growth of vegetation. Rhinoceros beetles in culture. Symbols of strength and good luck. In many cultures, particularly in Japan and Thailand, rhinoceros beetles are symbols of strength, persistence, and courage. Male beetle fights attract the interest not only of researchers but also of insect enthusiasts. Symbols in art and spirituality. In traditional cultures, rhinoceros beetles are considered creatures that bring luck and prosperity. The image of their large horns and extraordinary strength has become a symbol of power and resilience. Ultraviolet reflection, a special armor. The outer shell of the rhinoceros beetle has the ability to reflect ultraviolet, UV light. This not only creates a mystical color effect, but also helps them camouflage in dense forests, reducing their visibility to predators. Camouflage in nature. The surface of their shell contains special microscopic structures that absorb and reflect light in unusual ways. This creates excellent camouflage, making them harder to detect under daylight. Conclusion: a powerful and mysterious creature in the insect world. Rhinoceros beetles are creatures with many exceptional features, from their extraordinary physical strength and unique horn to their vital role in the ecosystem. These traits not only help them adapt and thrive in harsh environments, but also highlight their role in maintaining natural balance. Rhinoceros beetles are not only symbols of strength in the natural world, but also important subjects of study, helping scientists explore the wonders of evolution and the role of insects in the global ecosystem.